students, now we'll start the exercises. I'll help you to solve the problems. I'll just be solving 2 to 3. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp. I'll give the number in the description box. Alright. Now see, if x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0 and x cubed plus 4y cubed plus 9z cubed is equals to 18xy, evaluate x plus 2y whole square divided by xy plus 2y plus 3z whole square divided by yz plus 3z plus x divided by zx whole square. Okay, how do you do this is, see, x plus 2y, this is given, x plus 2y, 2y plus 3z, 2y plus 3z, 3z plus x, 3z plus x, this is given in the question. Now, I'll replace the value of this in terms of x, y and z. Okay, let us see. X plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0. This is given. Now, x plus 2y is here. So, x plus 2y is equals to minus 3z. Alright, let's see here. X plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0. 2y plus 3z is equals to minus x. Alright, similarly, x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0. This means 3z plus x is equals to minus 2y. Now, I'll replace the value of this here. See, x plus 2y is what? Minus 3z. So, here, minus 3z whole square divided by xy plus 2y plus 3y. 2y plus 3z is minus x. So, minus x. So, you've got whole square divided by yz plus 3z plus x, 3z plus x is minus 2y. Minus 2y whole square divided by zx. Okay, I'll now open the brackets. Minus of a square is a positive number. So I'll have plus 3 square is 9, z square is z square by xy. Plus minus of a square is plus x square divided by yz. Plus 2 square is 4, minus square is plus 4y square divided by zx. Now I'll take the LCM. You've got x, y, y, z, zx. So the LCM becomes x, y, z. So what you don't have here, what you have in the LCM is x, y, z. What do you have here? X, y. So you multiply this term with the number which you don't have. So you multiply this with z. You multiply this with x. You multiply this with y. Now, see, I've multiplied the denominator with z, so I have to multiply this with z as well. I multiply this with x, I will multiply this with x. So this with y. So this becomes 9z cubed plus x cubed plus 4y cubed. Or, now see, 9z cubed plus x cubed plus 4y cubed is given to be 18xyz. So instead of this, I'll write 18xyz divided by xyz. This gets cancelled, so answer is 18. Hello students, now we've got this problem. It says 2 bracket open x square plus 1 is equals to 5x. Find x minus 1 by x and x cubed minus 1 by x cubed. See, the equation is not given in x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x form. We've got this equation. So we'll bring that in the form of x minus 1 by x and then solve it. Okay? See, I'll open the bracket. It says 2x square plus 2 is equals to 5x. Alright? Now what will I do is, I'll divide all terms by x. Dividing all terms by x. It becomes 2x square by x plus 2 by x is equals to 5x by x. We cancel this. It becomes 2x plus 2 by x is equals to 5. When I take common here, this becomes x plus 1 by x is equals to 5. This becomes x plus 1 by x is equals to 5 by 2. This is what we got. Now we'll solve, put the value here and then find this. We know x plus 1 by x is equals to 5 by 2. When I square both sides, squaring both sides, I get x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to 5 by 2 whole square. And open the bracket, x square plus 2 into x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to 5 square is 25 divided 2 square is 4. Okay, I'll cancel this. This becomes x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square is equals to 25 by 4. Now I need to find x minus 1 by x. So what will I do is I'll put a minus sign here. I'll add and subtract 2. Alright, minus 2. I've subtracted 2 first. Okay, this I put it from my pocket. This 2, I write it here. See, I put this from my pocket. I'll put plus 2 from my pocket as well to neutralize this. Minus 2 and plus 2, this gets cancelled. You'll get back the same thing. Okay, this becomes 25 by 4. Now this becomes x minus 1 by x whole square. See, x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square. This becomes a minus b whole square is equals to, I'll take 2 plus 2 is 4. I'll take that side. 25 by 4 plus 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. I've taken it this side. This becomes minus, sorry. This becomes x minus 1 by x whole square is equals to 25. LCM is 4. 25 minus 4 into 4 is 16. X minus 1 by x whole square is equals to 9 by 4. So x minus 1 by x is equals to plus minus 3 by 2. When I take square this side, this becomes under root, or copy it this way beforehand. Minus 1 by x is equals to under root 9 by 4. Make this step first, okay? And then you'll come to this. X minus 1 by x is under root of 9 means 3 and under root of 4 means 2. So we've got the value of x minus 1 by x is plus minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is your answer. I've used a plus 1 by a whole square is formula. A square plus 2a, b is 1 by x plus b is again b square. You've got 1 by x square. I've used a plus b. Okay, let me write it here using a plus b whole square formula. Okay, this is what it. Okay, now students will be solving x minus 1 by x cube minus 1 by x cube. See, previously we got the value of x minus 1 by x. It happened to be plus minus 3 by 2. So I'll use the same thing. X minus 1 by x is equals to plus minus 3 by 2. I just have to find the cube of this. So I'll be cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. This becomes 3 by 2 whole cube. Now we'll put this into the formula. A cubed minus 3ab, okay, a minus b minus b cubed is equals to 3 cubed is 27 divided by 8. So this is plus minus. Now we've got x cubed minus 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x cubed is equals to plus minus 27 by 8. This becomes x cubed minus the value of this is 3 by 2 minus 1 by x cubed is equals to plus minus 27 by 8. I'll multiply this. X cubed minus 3 3s are 9 by 2 minus 1 by x cubed is equals to plus minus 27 by 8. Bring this here, you'll get the answer. X cubed minus 1 by x cubed is equals to 27 by 8 plus 9 by 2. X cubed minus 1 by x cubed is equals to, LCM is 8 into 4. This becomes 27 plus 9 4s are 36. Plus minus. That is plus minus. X cubed minus 1 by x cubed equals to plus minus 7 6 13 7 6 7 6 13 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 6 to 3 by. So this is your answer. See, these are the special products. You need to memorize this. See, whenever they ask any problems given in this form, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, you can directly write this way: x cubed plus a plus b plus c x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. See, I've taken this exercise. This is exercise 4e, question number 1. Okay, here is see, this is in the form of, let us directly write, this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, or it's given minus, so x minus c. So this is in this form. So I'll directly write this and then solve it out. Okay, now let us see what does the formula say. It says x cubed. I've written x cubed as it is. Now what does the formula say? A plus b plus c. What is a? A is 6 here. What is b? B is 4 here. What is c? C is minus 2 here. X cubed plus a plus b plus c x square. I write x square here. Plus AB. AB is 6 into 4. AB plus BC. BC means 4 into minus 2. Plus CA. CA is minus 2 into 6. Okay, this is AB, BC, CA into X plus A into B into C. A into B into C is 6 into 4 into minus 2. Now solve this. This becomes x cubed plus 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 2 is 8 into x square is x square. Okay, I'll solve this. 6 4s are 24. 4 2s are 8 minus 8. Okay, this becomes 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 of x plus 6 4s are is 24. 24 minus 2 is minus 48. So we have minus 48 here. And solving this again becomes x cubed plus 8x square plus, let's say 12 minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20. Minus 20 plus 24 is 4. You've got x minus 48. So this is how you do. Alright students, now we've got 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 3 times plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 3 times divided by 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. Okay, now if I consider 0.8 to be 8, what happens? Let us consider a is equals to 0.8. What happens here is this becomes a into a, and let us consider b to be 0.5. Okay, this becomes b into b into b divided by, this is again a into a minus a into b plus b into b. If I simplify this, this becomes a cubed plus b cubed divided by a square minus ab plus b square. So I'll now put the formula of a cube plus b cube. Alright, I'll rub this. I'll write it here. Let a is equals to 0.8 and b is equals to 0.5. So if I break this formula, a cube plus b cube becomes here a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square divided by, what do I have? I've got a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, these and these gets cancelled, so ultimately what you get? A plus b. So I'll replace it. What was a? 0.5, 0.8 sorry, plus b was 0.5. So when I add this, it becomes 1.3. This is the answer.